Action!
Gallagher.
Who's this Gallagher? What are we doing?
You say whatever you want.
This is so cool. My name is Crystal Wilson, and I found a lovely dress here that fit me perfectly, and everybody was yelling at me saying that if I didn't get the dress, then they was gonna curse me out. So and I found this gorgeous teal and black polka dot dress, and it's really nice. It fits my personality, and I feel like I'm gonna go jump on dandelions.
I found the perfect black dress and the perfect black shoes along with a lace.
Okay, nobody cares.
Awesome. And you girls didn't even tell me which high school you're from.
We go to Urban Assembly School for the Performing Arts. I'm going to Fairleigh Dickinson University.
Woohoo!
Morgan State University.
All right, ladies.
And I'm a theater major.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.